This Valentine's Day, we are expecting a mix of weather conditions with sunny skies and warm to hot conditions in the west, but cloudy and rainy weather over the northeastern regions, especially in Limpopo, where we have a warning in place for disruptive rainfall leading to localized flooding over the northern and northwestern regions of Limpopo. See your forecast. Overnight into Friday morning, stormy conditions still expected over the northeastern regions with that yellow level 2 warning in place for disruptive rainfall over Limpopo. Into the afternoon, only a few isolated showers and thunderstorms possible over parts of northwest Gauteng, the Highveld, as well as here over parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, but then those scattered showers and thunderstorms possible over Namibia, Botswana, as well as Zimbabwe, and especially over Limpopo, where we have that warning in place for disruptive rainfall. A very poor PV harvest expected over the northeastern regions due to the cloudy conditions and rainy weather, and then into the afternoon an average PV harvest over the central parts of the country. Taking a look at your winds, we're expecting a strong southerly wind to blow along the western coast and the southern coast of our neighbouring country Namibia, persisting throughout the day Friday. Later, a fresh onshore flow of air expected over the western parts of the country, where we have a high fire danger in place, especially over parts of the northern Cape, the western and the eastern Cape, so please be careful in those areas. Later, a fresh southwesterly wind expected around the southern and the eastern coast. But in the Western Cape, a bit warmer in comparison to Thursday, temperatures reaching about 30 degrees Celsius over the interior, temperatures around the mid-20s for the city of Cape Town and Langebaan, with a southeasterly to southwesterly wind blowing fresh to strong at times. In the Garden Route, temperatures in the mid-20s with partly cloudy skies, foggy at first over parts of the Karoo, later temperatures rising about 30 degrees Celsius with 32 the afternoon in Graaff-Reinet. A cloudy start to your Friday over parts of the Eastern Cape, later isolated showers and thunderstorms mainly possible over the eastern regions, with southwesterly winds blowing fresh into the afternoon around the eastern coast. A foggy start to your Friday over the interior of KwaZulu-Natal, later only isolated showers and thunderstorms possible, with temperatures around 30 degrees Celsius. Cloudy conditions at first expected in Mpumalanga, with a few isolated showers and thunderstorms over the Highveld, becoming scattered over the northern regions with temperatures in the mid to upper 20s. A rainy Valentine's Day in store for Limpopo with scattered to widespread showers and thunderstorms, temperatures in the mid to upper 20s, and the Weather Service warning against disruptive rainfall leading to localized flooding. In northwest, foggy conditions at first with cloudy conditions over the eastern areas, later isolated showers and thunderstorms possible over the central and eastern part of the province, and quickly warming up in the west with temperatures above 30 degrees Celsius. Cloudy and cool conditions expected along the western coast with southerly winds blowing strong. Otherwise, we are expecting windy conditions over the central and southern parts of the northern Cape with a high fire danger in place and extreme hot conditions, temperatures soaring to the upper 30s. On Friday morning, foggy conditions with cloudy weather over the eastern areas of the Free State, later windy conditions over the southern regions, partly cloudy skies into the afternoon, and temperatures above 30 in Bloemfontein. A cloudy start to your Friday in Gauteng with a few foggy conditions at first. Later, we're expecting isolated showers and thunderstorms and temperatures in the mid to upper 20s. Then this weekend, we're expecting windy conditions to persist around the southwestern and the western coast, scattered to isolated showers and thunderstorms possible over the central and eastern parts of the country, with temperatures in the mid to upper 20s in KwaZulu-Natal. On Sunday, we're still expecting isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms, now extending here over parts of the northern Cape, the eastern Cape and the Free State. Cloudy conditions expected over the northeastern regions with temperatures in the mid to upper 20s. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your Valentine's Day, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.